tricky. Thought I would do this the night before because whenever I'm getting ready I always forget. So heading to MOTO101, heading to MOTO101 today, tomorrow, today, whatever. Going with Dan. It's been about a month. Looking forward to it. Should be good. Should be dry. Looking forward to it. A bit of MotoGP in the background. Right, cool, yeah. Enough for me. Hey, I've polished my helmet. Check that out. Alright, see you on the track. Bye. Tired. Let's go. That whiskey fall was so bad. That rock is getting so fucking deep. This is the road I'm in. If you never give motocross a go and you're into green laning, or whatever, give it a go. But I'm in the novice class, so there's like zero expectation. As in adults novice as well. Whew, I'm all over the track here. So yeah, go and have a nice time. Whew. You'll be able to tell, but aye. And I don't think Dan overtook me again that time. So usually Dan always gets me. Sorry, I actually forgot you guys were here.
I look genuinely concentrating that much. This is definitely I got booked then. Oh, this is the find a rut. Hey, I commit to it. I'm trying to stay stood up for as long as I can. Until I'm getting so deep then. So deep. Look where you want to go. Try. It's so deaf that jump. Honestly. Oh yeah. I'm getting so tired. I do like it when the front end just pops. Oh, see them ruts. When the front end just lifts up over the exit of a jump. It's very nice. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm definitely saying no more. Okay. I figured That's such a heavy landing. I felt my throttle just twist. The way it definitely shouldn't twist. Right. Hey. Okay. This is when fitness really starts to come into it. It was not straight then. I haven't changed gear for ages. I bet this should be a lot faster than I'm taking that. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay, last little fun corner. I'm done. Oh, just nearly died. Yeah. Right. Whew. That was me finito. That was good. Oh, improved loads. Jumps were better. Corners are miles better. Oh. MOTO101. Cool. Enjoy it. Best track I've rode that by far. I don't know where Dan is. Cool.